This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect a custom domain in Wix. First, understand that a custom domain makes your website look professional and trustworthy. Before you start, ensure your Wix site is already published. You'll also need your domain registrar login information handy, as we'll be making changes there. This process is straightforward, taking just a few minutes to initiate. Now, let's begin in your Wix dashboard. Log in and navigate to the Domains section, usually found under Settings. Here, you'll see an option to connect a domain you already own. Click this, and then carefully type your custom domain name into the designated box. Double-check for any typos before proceeding to the next step. Next, open a new tab and log into your domain registrar's website where you purchased your domain. Look for the DNS management or name server settings. This is where you'll update the name servers. Wix will provide specific name servers. You'll replace your current ones with these. This tells your domain to point to your Wix site. After updating your name servers, it can take up to 48 hours for these changes to fully propagate across the internet. Don't worry if your site isn't live immediately. You can check the connection status in your Wix dashboard. Once connected, your custom domain will proudly display your Wix website. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your new professional online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.